Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to show you how you can add more than 4 or 5 apps in the dock on the home screen on your Galaxy phones without downloading a launcher. So for that you need a Good Lock app. If you have already guessed it, you're right. So if you don't have it, go ahead and download it from the Galaxy store. Then go in Good Lock app and then go in Makeup section and download Home Up module. Once it's downloaded, go in here, go in home screen, and here you will see all your home screen options, and here you will see this option favorites max count. Go in here and you will see that it allows you up to 9 apps to have in your dock, and that's what I've selected. So select 9, 8, 7, whatever you want, press apply, and then you will have all these apps in your dock. Now of course there are other settings here. So if you go in app icon settings, you can change the icon size. You can show app icon label on the home screen, show app icon label on the apps tray. If that's what you want, you can do that. You can also turn this setting off altogether if you want. And there are some other settings: background color control, background blur control, finder access, loop pages. You can also select how many apps you want to have on your home screens. So I have 5x6 apps on the home screen grid and 4x6 on the apps screen grid. So these are all the settings that you can change, and that's how you can add a lot of apps in your dock on your home screen. Follow for more videos and tips and tricks like this, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.